Doggone it. Where is it? God, they're sleeping on my there it is. Sleeping on my camera. I went to bed early last night and they fell asleep right on my camera. There, babe buddy. And there's babe buddy over here. Hear him? Yeah, he's a poor little freaky.
Hi, out there, fellow subscribers, anglers, friends, YouTubers. Hi. Yeah, I'm at it again. I still got 3 species to catch, by the way, on the multi-species challenge. That's still going on. I'm not giving that up. Of course, you know, it would be easier if Mother Nature wouldn't keep throwing me curveballs. Yeah, you can probably hear it. I'm got my hand right by the camera because I know, yeah, it's about 20 mile per hour winds today. Seems like weather-wise, we've been getting either super cold, you know, really fun. Oh boy, am I crazy? Yeah, it's a Saturday, so bear with the noise, folks. I'll try to edit it out with a little decent music. I have to cut through a lot of music pieces, and even my paid application. Figure out which ones are compatible with YouTube, because YouTube does not like certain video audio. Yeah, this wind I'm going with the chartreuse with a little paddle tail. Hopefully that'll make as much vibration as it can, even on my spinning combo. And you know what, the bait caster, I'm still going to leave the black and blue with the pumpkin speckled pumpkin seed. And this is, like, you guys know my little Strike King spinner baits with the Colorado blades. For amount of fish and sizes and everything else, it's nope, that don't count as a cast. I just had a little backlash in there getting it out. Had to hit around these trees. This spinning combo is probably going to do better because I can really pinpoint the spots. But this line is a little lighter than the well, quite a bit lighter than that bait caster, so it tends to sink just a little bit faster. Both a good and a bad thing, you know. I mean, there are times when you want it to sink, and there are times when you don't want it to sink real fast. This is probably a day where I don't want it to sink real fast. I want to slow it down as much as possible. Give the bass a chance to find it in this wind. Oop, little ick on there. Not necessarily a bad thing. And these cheap combos, you do not want to get algae into the reel handles, by the way. It is it's difficult to get it out. Yeah, I can definitely see this. Definitely see this in the water. Yeah, I'm in a pretty good mood today. I'd say a relatively positive mood, even though like I said, Mother Nature's throwing me another curveball. Bad cast. A little shallow. Just a little too shallow. Ain't gonna get too much gunk on it in that depth. Don't get too much gunk on it. I wanted it out about, yep, right about there. Oh, something's nipping at it. Something was nipping at it. Something was nipping at it there. Something was nipping at it there. It might be a day where actually I do need to use a chatterbait because the wind is just blowing so doggone much. Even a Colorado blade might not be putting on enough vibration to get them in. I do have like I said, a larger size chatterbait that people will consider that chatterbait actually small, which is not actually by my standards. It's still pretty big. It's like a 1/4 ounce. There it goes. It's been there for a minute. Wouldn't spin there for a minute. Just wouldn't spin. Yeah, I've been a lot of stuff nipping at it. A little bassy. First fish of the day, but I got him. No skunk at least, right guys? No skunk. They're pretty little guys, ain't they? Go grow up, my friend. Even a Colorado blade might not be putting on enough vibration to get them in. I do have like I said, a larger size chatterbait that people will consider that chatterbait actually small, which is not actually by my standards. It's still pretty big. It's like a 1/4 ounce. There it goes. It's been there for a minute. Wouldn't spin there for a minute. Just wouldn't spin. Yeah, I've been a lot of stuff nipping at it. A little Little bassy. First fish of the day, but I got him. No skunk at least, right guys? No skunk. They're pretty little guys, ain't they? Go grow up, my friend. Told you I kept feeling something nipping at it. Good. Got him. What the heck? I thought that was a fish. I could have sworn that was a fish. Yeah, that one fooled me. I thought that was a fish for sure. Just surprised. Surprised I haven't gotten hit down here. Same cast, same spot. Got him, I think. Yeah, I got him. Pretty small. That explains why I couldn't hook him. Long-eared. What you guys doing eating my banditas? See you around, my friend. One bass and one long-eared. Yeah, this isn't very pleasant today. Not very pleasant at all. That wind is just making it a little bit uncomfortable. A little bit unpleasant. I like to use a little bit when I mean a lot. That was off. Got him. Second bass of the day. He just pecked on it like a long ear. Just kept on pecking and pecking and pecking. Gotcha, buddy. Gotcha. You around. When that wind starts blowing, it's not only hard to cast. Hard to feel anything strike. Hard to do pretty much anything. Got one, yep, got one. That's a better one too. Yeah, that's much better. Didn't set the hook very good on him, so I'm gonna have to get him in fast. Boy, she is fat. Wow. Look at a butterball. Boy, she is a butterball too. It's a beautiful bass too, by the way. Absolutely beautiful. That's a pound and a half bass with a half pound bass's body. All right, buddy. I needed you. Thank you for hitting, my friend. See you around. You want to go? That one was fat. That one was. I don't know what he was thinking. How he could fit anything back in his belly. I don't know if I should give up now. Just about ready to give up and start fishing for carp, and when them guys hit. Little guy. Hope they're right at the rod tip. Oh, like a jumpy guy, huh? Eh. Oh, you choked it. That one really did choke it too. There we go. Good little guys, huh? Getting a few at least. Yeah, that made me feel a little bit better. Just a little bit. I thought I'd pass you guys back about a half a mile back. What, you following me or something? Let me get ahead of you. Let me get out of here. Dang ducks. Yeah, I'm in a wind right here. I don't know if I can make a cast in this spot because the wind's blowing right through that pipe. I mean that bridge. Yeah, I'm just gonna cast the old everybody around for a while. The only thing I can really deal with is this wind. I have a willow leaf instead of a Colorado blade on right now because it's a little brighter than these decent temps, but guarantee you if it, oh, look at that. Doggone it. That was a pretty good one there. That was a pretty good one. I felt them peck. It was right when I was ready to take it out of the water. Let me back off this. That's a 2-3 pound bass there. Yeah, right as I was pulling it out of the water. Right as I was pulling it out of the water. I felt a little peck, and then I saw that bass roll on it. Doggone it. Oh well. Don't forget the other one. I'll be getting. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. Oh, look at that. Really? Nabbit. I didn't get a hook into him. He was holding on to the end of the bandito bug. I'm just holding on to the end of it. Bing, 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 bing. And didn't get my claw off yet. They trying. Well, I wouldn't say I got beat today, folks, but yeah, I did not win. Let's call it a stalemate. A draw. I snared a couple of you guys today, but that those doggone these doggone wind and temperatures and everything, it's just making things hard. I'm just holding on to it right there. That's what they've been doing all day. That was about an 8 or 10 inch bass. Just, like I said, it's not a. I didn't lose, but yeah, I certainly didn't win. So this footage of this video isn't going to be very long, but you know, I'm going to cut through all the dagnabbits and consarnets, and show you guys the few fish I did catch. So, you know what? I hope you enjoyed today's video. I don't believe it. Took one more cast. I kid you not, I took one more cast. Well, at least it made me smile. Look how light that bass is. Wow. Like a difference in colors in this lake right now. Good way to end the day, though, at least, right? He just destroyed that bandito bug, by the way. Beautiful. Yellow, greens, and well, he's still, temperature-wise, he's about the same as the air temperature, so I don't know why they're being a little pain in the butt for me, so. See you around. Wish I got that whole thing on film, but I'm glad to have seen him. Now I feel like a win.